Nonprofit leader, you want to be an accomplished fundraiser and bounce back from the financial strain caused by the virus disruption. In order to do that, you need a roadmap. The problem is you need funds now, which makes you feel the pressure, especially with a small staff or one-person shop. You did not plan for this. No one did. Nevertheless, you don't deserve this. Your beneficiaries don't deserve this. I understand and care about small not-for-profits, which is why I'm offering a free training called The New Fundraising Formula. Discover how to secure large gifts despite the environment and no fundraising events, even if you don't yet have a fundraising plan. You play a critical role in work that matters. To secure funds, you must make fundraising work for you now and well beyond this crisis. Processes must change. I've been on the front lines of fundraising for 20 years and raised over $16 million for the organization I helped establish and run for 10 years. We raised these funds all during the 2008 economic crisis. And get this, never held a fundraising event. I know a thing or two about what works and what doesn't work in fundraising. Let me help you. Let's get you going. Here's what you need to do. Number 1, click the link and select a time for the free training that is best for you. 2, join me live. 3, discover 3 secrets to overcome your fundraising deficits. Training is only offered for a limited time. Get signed up right here, right now, today. Click the link and join me live. I can't wait to see you there.